you've had. So I'd love for you to share about a make along the way.
I mean, obviously with Clean Juice, just the fact, the brand is what it is today is a big make. But I would say more of kind of how we got started on the make is we had to take a risk, right? And so I think so many times in life we're presented with different opportunities, and we don't, a lot of times we're going to miss out on something just out of fear. And many times in life we make decisions based on fear and nothing else. And so, had I been scared to lose the couple $100,000 that I was going to put into the first location, we wouldn't be here today. And so, I had people who told me, "Don't do that. That's not a great idea. I don't think it's going to work." And so, a lot of times, you just got to really pray, listen to your gut, take that risk, and a lot of times, risk is viewed as a negative thing, and I don't view it like that. I view it as a positive thing. If had I not taken that risk to open Clean Use in store number one, we wouldn't be here today. And so, just the fact that we did it, we took that risk, was a big make for us and our family. So
Yeah.